The National Weather Service in Elko, Nevada has issued a tornado warning for south-central Elko County in northeastern Nevada, north-central Eureka County in north-central Nevada, until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Elko, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado, and golf ball or larger size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carlin around 7:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Interstate 80, South Area Mine and Adobe Summit. Precautionary preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.